majoring in mechanical engineering at Hanoi University. At university, I have learned skill like problem solving, teamwork, using technical software, and during practical work in workshop. Studying at university gave me many opportunities, such as joining club, doing internship, and preparing for a workshop in the future. I have faced some challenges like difficult subject and a lot of homework. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to manage my time well and ask my teacher for or friend for help. What I like most about learning at university is that I can improve myself every day and get closer to my